Yo, you trying to go for a ride? You about it? All right, so we just stopped here. I got my drink and we go inside and the homies inside are like, yo, you have a YouTube channel? Because they see me with the camera and whatnot. And he types in my name and he subscribes to me, which is pretty crazy. Like, it's honestly unreal to like think that some random person that I meet in public randomly subscribes and have seen my videos. But anyway, he said something about like going for a ride or something like that. So I'm gonna go inside and see if he's down to go for a little ride. We just got a full tank. How much was it? 40 bucks? That ain't bad. 40 bucks? Hell yeah, and this was empty. But I'm gonna go inside and see if he's down to go for a ride. Also, I gotta get my change. I was gonna see if your friend wanted to go for a ride.
Oh, we don't get him.
You think he'd be up for that?
The bathroom. Oh, in the bathroom? Yeah.
You can let him chill for a little bit. I'll hang out. Yo, you trying to go for a ride? You about it? What was your name, bro? Tyrell? What's up, bro? Let's do it. So you really do subscribe? Like already?
Yeah.
That's crazy, bro.
I was looking at the how to flip.
Oh, the flip money, yeah, on the wheels. That's like my biggest video.
Yeah, I seen it and I was like, oh, this is genius. One thing about it.
Yeah, I've been doing that for years, but that was my first video I ever made on like making money, and it blew up. It's got like 1 million views now. But it's like a series, so I do more than just that video, so you can watch them all or whatever. You can hop in the back if you want. This isn't a stock Hellcat either. It makes like 800 horsepower.
Oh, really?
So a stock Hellcat makes like probably 650, like wheel to the wheels. So this one makes a lot more, like an extra 150.
I mean, I need to put my seatbelt on.
Yeah.
This is like one of my dream cars.
Really?
Yeah.
It would, honestly, mine too. Like if you would have asked me a year ago if I had had this car, I would never in my dreams have it. Like I always wanted one, and now I have it, which is kind of crazy, but like, I don't know, it just happens, I guess. I don't know, it's wild.
Yeah. Well, I mean, I guess that's where dedication comes from.
Yeah, bro, shit just happens. You don't, when I got this thing, it was like, I don't know, it's just kind of like crazy how it all happened.
Oh, no.
Alright, so we're gonna do a little pull. I'm gonna have you hold the camera and just put it right in your face.
Right here?
Yeah. Put it in manual mode. You can cut people off. We're in a Hellcat.
Oh, shit. Yeah, that definitely take off.
You're like, wee.
Yeah.
We don't got much runway right now.
No, that's cool. I can definitely feel the power behind it.
Yeah. So I just got this thing back from the shop.
Yeah.
It's broken and I just got it fixed. Dude, like we're on the way home.
Yeah, I saw how it looked on the channel. I was like, damn, that is crazy.
Yeah.
Oh shit.
All right, guys. So we found a straightaway. Check this out.
Oh shit!
That was just spinning the whole time too.
I know, I felt
like you felt it slide out, yeah.
Oh my god!
Hey, we found the perfect road.
Yeah,
though.
this is nice.
Yeah.
That
worked out good.
good.
What's the fastest car you've ever been in?
The fastest car I've ever like been in was like a rental, and me and my brother got it, and we started. He had a Dodge Charger, and I had an Infiniti.
Okay.
Q60, but it was like the sports version, the best sports version there was, and we just raced up and down like I-75.
So you like fast shit?
Yeah, pretty much.
See, even that right there was spinning.
Yeah. I wouldn't know how to act with this, like.
Bro, you ain't gonna believe this.
Power 500.
You won't believe this.
You were in eco mode.
We're in eco mode right now. Dude. Look at the green. we're on the 500 horsepower tune right now.
Are you serious?
Oh God.
Oh, we gotta read it.
Yeah, we gotta. You're about to really let it feel.
Oh yeah.
We had traction control on. We had everything on. They're all 700 horsepower right there.
That's beyond me.
Yeah, that was, you could feel the difference.
Yeah, I definitely felt it.
Yeah.
Oh wow. See, if I had this car, I would be doing races every day. I'm not gonna lie.
That's how I am. Every time I'm in it, like, it's hard to just drive normal. It's
yeah,
just, like,
that's why, like, whenever I see other people with this car, I'd be like, why are you driving so damn slow?
Yeah, yeah.
Like,
for real, dude.
Meant to be going faster. Oh my god.
Big difference.
No.
I honestly was kind of like, why is it? It's kind of slow right now. Like, that makes sense though.
Yeah, that's my car. Yeah, that's my car right there. I got
Which one? The Malibu?
Malibu, yeah.
That thing's fresh. You keep it clean.
Oh, gotta keep it clean.
Dude, this thing's filthy right now. It's been sitting for like a month at the shop.
I mean, that's the difference though. That's been sitting for a month.
Yeah,
I had my car.
Yeah.
That's crazy.
But yeah, bro. I hope I made your day. Hope
You did, honestly. I'm not gonna lie.
That's badass.
This is crazy. That was beyond me.
Well,
I appreciate it.
Yeah, no problem, bro. Be safe. Be healthy.
Keep doing what y'all doing.
Yeah, bro.
All right,
bro. I still need to grab my change. Ah, that was sick.
Yeah, that was sick.
You smell the tires.
Yeah.
That's so funny, dude. We had it on 500 horsepower mode, and we're doing pulls. Hey, I like to treat others how I'd want to be treated.
see, this is why I can
If I met someone with that car, like because I didn't have anything like that like a year ago, and when I seen someone like that, I always be like, oh, let me go for a ride, and they'd always be like, oh no, bro, you know, I'll let you sit in it, and they'd just be like dicks and like, I don't know, I always hated that, so I'm glad I can make your day. Bye, bro. Nice meeting you. You have a good one. See you guys. No problem.
That's a Damon or the Hellcat?
It is a normal Hellcat, but I did the wide body on it. Yeah, that's why it's missing the pieces because it's still in the works, but it's coming along. Thanks, bro. See, that's what I like. People ask me if it's the Demon. Once I got the hood, I'm just gonna say it's the Demon. But yeah, bro, it's the Demon.
It is. I mean,
literally, dude, they were like, even the girls were having like they were excited for him.
yo, no way.
He's so hyped. That's so sick.
Dude.
And he watches me from the flip videos, not like when I rebuilt this. I got a lot of subscribers from obviously rebuilding the car because everyone saw Hellkeazy and all that, but also the flip videos I make, you gotta check those out because that's my most viewed videos is the flip videos. And it's about how to make money, so who doesn't like to make money? Alright guys, so that's gonna be a wrap for this video. I'm in this parking lot right now, just getting some shots and you know, enjoying this thing. So if you want to see any mods with this thing, here, peep the little light. That's honestly one of my favorite things with this car is the little light right there. But if you guys want to see anything different with this car, like any mods or anything, I do have a mod coming very soon that's a sick mod, so you're gonna like that a lot. But yeah, stay tuned. So I'm gonna catch y'all later and stay safe out there. Peace.